In this video I want to tell you that the voxel game is now available. This is an early access and you can download the game on Patreon. The game will be updated by me. And there's also a free access version that everyone can play, but this version is not going to be updated. Before you download, you should know that this game is not complete. It may have bugs and it may not work on every computer. Many features are missing, like sounds and saves. So don't try to build something complex for now. Just wait, the game is going to be updated. Now, I'd probably be placing a text file in the folder so you can check the controls of the game. It's a first-person controller, WSD for movement, mouse for camera, one click build, the other one destroys, spacebar to jump, shift to run. There are also special keys. With F key, you switch from building mode. You can build in the grid, or you can use SDFs, the sphere SDF. The mouse wheel is to change the size of the voxel. If you press Ctrl and the mouse wheel, you can change the size of the SDF. If you don't have a mouse, you're in a laptop, you can use Q and E to change the size. You can change your movement by pressing G. Free move allows you to fly and go through voxels, and player move is affected by gravity and collisions. There's also a console that you can write. In the text file, I will place the commands. I added some few and basic commands you can use, like TP. You can go for as far as you can, but don't try to go that far because the game obviously is going to break. Well, other than that, just have fun. I'll be waiting for your messages and comments. I think a new community will grow, so I started a subreddit for the engine. I made a Discord server, so you can join if you want. There's a space for ideas and suggestions. You can upload your screenshots and videos about the game, about your gameplay walkthrough. And if you found any bug and issue, you can tell me. If you make content, I will be happy to know about it. You can follow me on x.com. You can support me, support this project on Patreon. And last but not least, subscribe and like this video so more people know about this project. I want to give my special thanks to my patron, Gabriel. Thank you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.